If you're still saying, while I cooked, he arrived, your story sounds choppy. In 60 seconds, you'll make it cinematic and fluent. And I'll give you the one connector natives rely on. Stay with me. Listen. One sentence rule. Use while with past continuous for the background action and simple past for the interruption. Never say, while I cooked, he arrived. Say, while I was cooking, he arrived. Scene. In a job interview, they ask about a stressful moment. What do you say? While I was cooking dinner, the client called with an emergency. Say it with me, while I was cooking. Again, while I was cooking. You just upgraded your storytelling. That already sounds advanced. Subscribe. Advanced secret. Natives often drop the full was and keep it soft, like was, inside the rhythm, while I was cooking. Smooth, natural. Comment one sentence with while plus past continuous. Tomorrow we'll hack when versus while. Follow.